Enjoy your golden hour at the Golden Gate City, and welcome to 221 7th Street Residences, SOMA, San Francisco, which can be your home away from home. The property offers an ensuite, a place you can call your own, with a comfortable twin bed, linen bed, and pillow covers, including a hardwood floor. With a kitchen that includes a giant countertop-made fridge, you can prepare delicious home-cooked meals whenever you want. You can also binge watch your favorite TV shows with the flat-screen TV and high-speed internet. Also, you can freely make your weekend plans without worrying about the chores, as SOMA offers common area cleaning services, including laundry services, including mail storage services, and an on-site manager. There's a perfect balance between study and work. When you live at our property, since we are near Golden Gate University, as well as some amazing restaurants like the Chieftain Irish Pub and Restaurant and Lemonade Restaurant. And if you are worried about commuting, then don't be, because 7th Street and Howard Street bus stop is at walking distance from the property. This way you can save time and money and live the life you plan to live in the city of dreams. Secure your room today at amberstudent.com.